So,
Kind, but not 61.
what's that?
It's all kinds, but not 61. I have 4.
Yeah, there's nothing for 61 yet. We'll do it right now. All right, so what goes in between the 1 and the 3? That's what you're asking. Greater than, less than, equals, what we can do? Do you remember the way the symbols go? If I put the 1 and the 3 there like that? Kind of scribbly. Let me try that again. So do you remember which way that's... So you all know the 3 is bigger, but how do you say that? How do you do the symbol? You remember? Is this like a joke for you? I told you this would be basic, right? So remember, the symbol has a wide side. The bigger thing goes on the wide side. The smaller thing goes on the small side, right? So it's going to go that way, right? And that's it. That's all we got. So you would select that multiple choice. I'll show you what it looks like. So that's our answer. So what do you think about, can you see that? It's a tiny little statement. What it says, let me write it bigger. It says this, and it says true or false. It says 1 is less than, or the bottom line is like the bottom of an equal sign, huh? So it's saying 1 is less than or equal to 1. Is that true? Well, yeah, because it's equal to 1, huh? 1 is less than or equal, it's equal. So that is true. It's a true statement on that. Okay, so on that one, can you see those okay? I should probably make a big... Okay, so this is question number 7. So let's do part A. Choose the correct format. Which way, and then put the missing symbol. What do they mean? They mean like the one that matches? I don't even know what they mean. They mean B, because it's the same? Yeah, I think they just mean select B. And which way, because they're just saying which one has the negative 13 and the negative 15. That seems kind of silly. B does. Now, what symbol goes in the middle, though? How does the symbol go? Which one of those numbers is actually the larger number? Careful, they're both negative. Think about the number line.
Negative.
So if this is 0 here, negative 13 would be like there, and negative 15 is there, huh?
It's asking to switch the inequality symbol points. So that...
Oh, thanks, Shelby. So yeah, so if you read these words up here, they're basically saying switch them. So they want the negative, bring it down here, they want the negative 15 on the left, the negative 13 on the right, and they want you to switch the symbol as well. So it was wide side that way, so now it goes this way, huh? That's saying the same truth as that. Do you realize that? In both cases, it's saying that the negative 13 is the bigger one because he's on the wide side. See, negative 13 is on the wide side, negative 13 is on the wide side. That's saying the same truth. That's like me saying, I'm 3 years older than my brother, or my brother's 3 years younger than me. That's the same truth, said either way, isn't it? And they're both saying what is true, because here is 0, here's negative 13, here's negative 15. Negative 13 is further to the right. Right? You've been in debt? I've been in debt. Right? This is better financially. You're less in debt. That is the bigger number, right? That's what they're saying. That's true. Negative 13 is on the wide side. It's true. Crucial pieces here. Basically, it says blah, 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 blah. The integer, it says blah, 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 blah. The integer that represents the altitude. So in the end, they just want the altitude of Mount Snowy. So what does it say? Mount Snowy, altitude, I don't know if you can tell. I'll just write it bigger. Altitude 19,466. Yeah, you guys can see it better than me. 466. There it is. It's just, now what if it had been below sea level? That would be negative. That's all. This one's positive because it's high up. If they'd asked me for the other one, the Green Valley, altitude 247 below, that would be negative 247, wouldn't it? That's all they're looking for there. Above sea level positive, below sea level negative. Thing here. All right, so problem number 11. They want me to show where is 1/6 on this, down here, on this number line, not up there. Yeah, see these marks? It's going to be this first mark right here, isn't it? Because there's 6 marks all the way to the 1, so that's 1/6. All right, you guys are giving me that. This is so easy, Mr. Heron. Are you kidding? What do they do? What's the absolute value of 15/4? I'm not sure you guys know this one.
The exact opposite.
Not the opposite.
It's supposed to be the distance from 0.
That's true. So what would the answer be?
15 over 4.
Yeah, it makes it positive. If it already is positive, it leaves it alone. distance is the right interpretation. So, so it's just 54. So notice if it had been negative, it would make it positive. It's that simple. Absolute value just makes it positive. That's all it is. So that one already was positive, so we did nothing. But if it had been negative, we would make it positive. So the straight bars, they make things positive. That's what they do. Make things positive. Okay, so we have absolute value of -4, and then over here we have -3. And they want me to put the greater than, less than symbol between. All right, so let's start with the left. What is, number 14, what is the absolute value of -4? Yeah, that's just regular 4, isn't it? That's just positive 4, normal 4. That's what absolute value does, is make things positive. So I'll just bring them down. Now, which one of those is bigger? Well, clearly the 4. So the symbol goes that way, right? The bigger one gets the wide side. Good? Easy.